So the next big wave of buying looks like it's about ready to commence. And there's some stuff I need to show you guys, which frankly should get you very excited. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. And I will say this, we have seen a huge uptick in whale activity across the market. BTC whales are surging right now. ADA whales are surging like I talked about earlier today. Shiba Inu whales, 5.7 trillion shib in the last 24 hours are surging. So whales have gone through this basically huge accumulation spree, and we can see that the price of shib is working its way up. It's broken out of this gift zone. Wouldn't surprise me if we kind of do something similar to back here, whether that's come back down and retest before this launch or possibly a drop back in before this launch. But right now I'm watching what capital is doing. I'm watching where money is moving to. And what we've seen is a continued inflow to exchanges in terms of capital. So people are moving money onto exchanges, not crypto. They're moving USD or USDT onto exchanges. And that typically indicates a preparation for massive buying. All right. We saw the same thing take place back here in kind of this lull between January through the beginning of March. The USDT inflows kind of stagnated. They stayed pretty flat and consistent. And we've been in this period now where we've gone on this multi-month sideways movement. So we're seeing consistent inflows to exchanges, but we're not really seeing this surge in buying. And what really shows this is this USDT change in exchange balances. So we're seeing this capital continue to flow into exchanges, but we're starting to see this balance of USDT on the rise on exchanges. So people are moving money in, but they're not accumulating in the market yet. Now, remember this happened all the way at the end of this last year. We saw a rise in the amount of capital. We saw this happen in late February as well. So this capital keeps flowing in, the balance of the capital keeps rising. So now you have all this capital that's basically positioned on exchanges to hit the market in a big way. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully I didn't lose anybody. But this change in capital, this increase in this position of money is what is going to hit the market at some point here. I think we're just kind of waiting for, again, this confirmation of BTC's motion here, right? Just this confirmation that BTC is in fact going to continue this breakout, that we're going to push towards this 61K. I believe that really if we can breach 62 and start to flip some of these moving averages on the daily, you're going to see a lot of this capital actually start hitting the market. Some people are still kind of waiting to see if we have further, breakdowns. Obviously, we've broken this long-term falling trend that we've been in over the last 30 plus days here. But that final thumbs up is going to be when capital hits the market. And remember what happens when capital flows freely, when some of these things were at their highest points, right? That's when SHIB did its best. That's when SHIB went on massive surges. When new capital hits the market, that's when SHIB performs well. So it's time to start getting excited. It's time to make sure your position is set, because it doesn't look like we have very long until blast off really takes place. Now, again, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. There's still a lot of things going on in the world right now, and we'll see if this plays out how it has in the past. But follow the money. Pay attention to what's happening, because it will not lead you astray. So appreciate it as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.